Hi there. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to perform a nozzle check pattern on an Epson Stylus SX515w. So to begin with, we're just going to start by turning the printer on. Now the reason we do a nozzle check pattern is if you were getting poor quality prints, this is a good way of showing us as to which colour is at fault. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start by clicking on the setup button, and then we're just going to go across to maintenance. Once maintenance is selected, we press OK. Now this brings up a selection of different functions that we can do, top one being nozzle check, so we're just going to click OK for that one. And now it's telling us the fact that it's ready to go. All we need to do is press the start button. And there we are. So as you can see on there, some of our lines are missing. So the magenta is looking great, and the black, there's lots of gaps. Now if this does occur, on the screen it now says if the segments are missing, we need to perform a print head clean. So to do that, we just press start again, and it's going to start now doing the print head clean. The print head clean is basically pushing ink through the print head, trying to flush out any blockages that there may be, which is going to be causing these segments to be missing. Now this print head cleaning process may take a few minutes to complete. Once it has done, it then prompts you to do another nozzle check. So we would do this, and by doing this you can then compare between the first one and this one once the head cleaning has been done, and see if that's made any difference to your print quality. If you find that your print quality is still quite bad, then we suggest running a few more head cleans on your printer. And that's how you perform a nozzle check pattern on an Epson Stylus SX515w. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video useful. Please like, share and leave any comments below. Remember to subscribe as well for more tips.